In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create web forms for lead capture in Zoho CRM. Let's start by opening your web browser and searching for Zoho. Once you find it, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After you're in, select Zoho CRM from the list of available applications. Now that you're in the Zoho CRM interface, direct your attention to the Setup menu in the top navigation bar. Under Setup, you'll want to navigate to Channels, and then click on Webforms. This will take you to the Webforms page where you'll start to create your web form. At the top of this page, you'll notice a drop-down list. Select the module you wish to use, such as Leads. With the desired module selected, you can proceed by clicking the Create Web Form button. You'll now find yourself on the Form Builder page. This is where you can design your form. On the right side panel, you'll see a variety of fields available. Simply drag and drop the ones you need onto your form. Feel free to add or remove fields as needed. You can even specify fields as mandatory or add helpful tooltips to guide users. If you want to give your form a personalized touch, click on the Form Details button for customization options. Here, you can change the font style, adjust alignments, and modify other design elements to ensure the form aligns with your brand. Once you're satisfied with how your form looks, click on Next Step to move on to the settings. You'll need to provide a name for your web form. Choose a name that is clear and relevant to your form's purpose. Next, enter the URL of the web page where your web form will be hosted on the Form Location URL field. If your form will be embedded on multiple pages, using an asterisk is a handy shortcut. After that, specify the landing page URL, which is the page where users will land once they've submitted the form. A thank you page is a popular option here as it provides a good final user experience. It's important to assign an owner for the form submissions. You can either pick a specific user or set up a record assignment rule, like a round-robin distribution, to evenly assign leads among your team. Additionally, you'll want to set up notifications. Ensure the record owner gets an email notification whenever someone completes the form, and configure an acknowledgement email to thank the visitor for their submission. Once that's complete, click Save to confirm all your settings. You'll then be taken to the Embed Options page. This is where you can acquire the code needed to embed your form. Choose among source code, embed code, or iframe code, based on your preferences and website requirements. The source code provides raw HTML, whereas embed and iframe codes are simpler but require a paid edition. After selecting your preferred code type, simply copy the generated code and paste it into the HTML of your website where you want the form to appear. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating web forms for lead capture in Zoho CRM. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.